May 11th. I received my Boxycharm today and I'm ready to unbox it. Hey y'all, welcome back to Segments with Sea Breeze. Sorry I've been gone for so long, but I was under the weather, but I'm back. So please make sure you hit subscribe and share my channel with all your friends and family so that I can get more subscribers and make more videos and everybody can just keep up with me. So keep watching. So automatically I can tell that this box is different than usual. So this box is longer. Boxes usually look like this. I just have them stored randomly just for no reason. So this is typical box size and this is the box that we received this month. So y'all can see the difference. So let's see what's in here because apparently they had to change the box shape for something. So I have variation 2. So I received a Bumble cleanser, a blush trio, a eye luster cream eyeshadow, a liquid matte lipstick, and a brow definer. So my face looks a little dirty. So I'm gonna try all this stuff out. So this is the Bubble cleanser. This is super cute. This is by Glam Glow. This is Glam Glow Gentle Bubble. This says it's a daily conditioning cleanser. Yeah. Condition, deep cleanse, face makeup removal. So let's see if I can get this mascara off because I'm looking a little dark under the eyes. This is 150 milliliters or 5 ounces. I want to see what the actual bottle looks like. Okay, so it's a cute little bottle. And it's like a little bubble. Don't want to waste my product. But it literally looks like bubble bath. We have the dose of colors, y'all. So I am so pumped to have anything dose of colors because I've been seeing, you know, in my Ulta like emails, I get like more dose of color palettes, and then they have that like Mickey and Minnie, and I just went to Florida, and you know how that goes. So this is the shade Talk is Chic liquid matte lipstick. I'm gonna also try this on after I, you know, get it together. So next we have the lightweight fall out free eye luster creamy eyeshadow. This is by, I would be lying if I tried to pronounce it, but this is what it looks like. Has a little bow on here. This is a metallic eyeshadow and this is 3 milliliters. And wow, this looks like the Glam Glow thing. So, and is that it? It should be one more thing in here. Oh, super small. Oh, I have 2 more things in here. Wow, okay. Look at that. 2 more things in here. Okay. A little bit more stuff to try on. So this is the Mellow Brow Definer. What color is this? This is in the color chocolate. I'm going to open this. Just give me a little minute. And then this is the Alarma Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. And this is medium tan. Thank you for getting my complexion right, Boxycharm. I appreciate y'all for that. Let's just open this real quick. Okay. Oh, and it comes with a little mirror. And that's what those look like. Ignore the knife in my hand. Okay, sorry about that, but this is what this looks like, and let's try everything on. Like a whole makeup look or anything, but I do want to try this cream eyeshadow because I've never had a liquid eyeshadow before. And if you have, like, in the comments, let me know which one you've used and how do you use it. So I'm just gonna, like, first of all, always put a primer on your face. What am I doing? Let me put some primer on my eye. Hold on. I literally just looked all over for my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, and it was in my travel kit that I actually got from Boxycharm. So let's just put this on the eyes real quick. I'm just gonna put a little bit on here just so I can see like the pigmentation. I don't know what we're doing with my fingers. Okay, now the moment we've all been waiting for, right? What does this look like on the eyes? First of all, does this even come with directions? Let's take it back a step. So I had to read for some instructions, some directions, something, because I've never had this before. And it says use as a topper over eyeshadow or simply use alone for a fuss-free glam fast. So I'm gonna do one eye plain and I'm gonna do another eye. I'm just gonna throw some eyeshadow on and put it on top to see how it looks. So this is weird. It's like gooey. Oh, but that is cute. Like I can, okay, I don't like using my finger for, oh, it's glitter, y'all. It's glitter. It's so much glitter. Okay, so fun fact, me and glitter don't really get along. Be everywhere. So I'm just gonna use a brush and try to just put this on my eye. Use a brush, not a brush this big, but you know, this is just a throw it on my eye look. But low-key, like, what? That's really cute. I definitely would just put this over some eyeshadow. I don't think it's, you know, for me to just put over my eyes. So I'm just gonna go in with just one of these mini freaking eyeshadow palettes I have because of Boxycharm, and put it over my eyes. So I'm gonna take a little dirty eyeshadow brush. I always use a clean brush, y'all. Don't be like me. I'm gonna tap into this Protege Suva Beauty palette. This is the shade Conscious. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put that. Ooh, I did not know I had this cute brown color in here, but I think that this brown color will complement the gold. So it's quick, like little bam type thing. And I'm just gonna go in with the same, this is what the palette looks like if anybody's wondering, and you know, those are the shades. So, I'm just gonna go back in. Only thing is, I don't want to like put this back in the tube because I don't want the color pigmentation on there, but surprisingly it's not on there. So this is actually like a very cool product. I think this is something like you have to master before you just go out, because you don't want to just go out looking crazy how I'm looking right now. But y'all, like, if I took my time and did some designs like in my eyeshadow with this would be perfect. Perfect. But put some lashes on. But I really like the chocolate and then the gold aspect. Okay, next we have this Dose of Colors Talk is Chic liquid matte lipstick. Y'all, Dose of Colors is just, oh, maybe the shade is New Bestie. Oh no, maybe it's saying that this is my new bestie. Hopefully. Oh yep, I was right. So this is how it comes. It comes in like a frosted glass. So cute. White top. This is the applicator. And not my favorite color. Definitely need a lip liner. Okay, y'all. So is would be so cute if this wasn't on my eyes. And if I did it a little bit neater. Oh, look at that. Okay. Despite the fact, and I just slapped this on my lips. If I would line it with like a brown, but this feels really nice. It doesn't feel matte at all, but I can tell that this is, even though it's matte, it feels moisturizing. I'm just cut my eyes out this right here at this point. So you just look at the color. Yeah. I like the color. That's cute. Next. So this is the blush palette. I'm gonna just take a brush and put the blush on my face. And I'm gonna just go in with a Maybelline Master Prime Cheek Primer. Yeah. I don't. I usually like do a whole face scan routine before I put any makeup on my face, so y'all can see I'm just testing these products out, and yeah. So I'm just gonna go in. A little simple brush here. I'm just gonna like swatch the blushes on my cheek. Don't think this is how I go out looking in public, because it's not. So this is Seclusion, and it's actually like a cute color. Like, I'm just gonna put some right here. So at this point, I'm making myself look like a clown, literally. But that's the color pigmentation right there. It's not really it's kind of a lot of fallout, honestly. But let's go to the next one. I believe you pronounce it Isla. We'll see, but it's like more pink than I'll like to go. So yeah, not doing that, not for me, nope. And then the next color is Toasted, which I can see me wearing not a lot because look how pink it is. So let's go like right here. Yeah, so despite that is a lot on this brush, I'm purposely putting all this stuff on my face because I'm about to try out this Glam Glow cleanser and I want to see how good it is. So let's just put some more blush. This is a nice blush trio though, but I'm not really a fan of blush that much because my cheeks turn red automatically, despite if I have makeup on or not. So that's nice. I'm gonna add that to the palette. So I think I might actually try to use one of those as an eyeshadow, but when I do, I will let y'all know. And let's start the washing face process. I'm gonna read the directions real quick. So this says apply to wet face and gently massage evenly in circular motions. Rinse well, pat dry, use daily as directed. I'm about to go get a bowl of water and a towel. Tell you how I improvised. I got a cup of water and my towel. So I'm just gonna, it's already wetness on my towel, so I'm just gonna pat my face. So apparently that primer is like super good because my makeup is barely coming off and this towel is so wet. So I'm just gonna go in with the cleanser. Be generous, y'all, be generous. This liquid lipstick does not want to move, y'all. You can see it like getting on my cheeks, so you gotta like scrub it. So yeah, let's see how good this stuff comes off. So this is just cool water. The cleanser, I did not use a makeup wipe. I still do have some, you know, eyeshadow in there, but imagine what you can do if you use a makeup wipe and some warm water, like constantly running water. So like this is, I'm trying to find different ways to conserve water in my water bill, but yeah. So I'm about to, you know, dip the towel in the water again. Fresh face, who this? Y'all see this? Okay, Glam Glow coming through. Yep. Okay. I mean, despite my cracked lips and the makeup hiding in there, I'm gonna give this cleanser a plus. No makeup wipe needed. So, yep. So that's the main Boxycharm, y'all. Let's go. Total value of this box is $108. I'm just super pumped. I would have to say this is one of my favorite boxes, Boxycharm, because I've never even heard of Glam Glow until now, and the cleanser is phenomenal. I've always wanted to try tongue-tied. I've always wanted to try Dose of Colors, and the fact that I have a liquid lipstick that actually will go perfect in the summertime and actually complements the palette received in the previous box last month, I'm super pumped about it. Yes, I'm just gonna have to give this box an A+. I actually didn't try the brow definer. Let me try that real quick. You know me, you know that I prefer to get my eyebrows threaded, and I do it regularly. So let's just see what this brown defining thing is here and what the tip looks like. But overall, y'all, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Congratulations to who won my last giveaway. That would be wow. First of all, hold up, giveaway. Okay, sis might have to do her eyebrows because you see this, like it's a spoolie. My friends know that I have to comb my eyebrows. Like I have to comb my eyebrows every day. So on one side it's the spoolie, and then on the other side it's this. Ooh, let's see. I don't even know how to do my eyebrows, y'all. So, just, okay. Is it too thick? Ow! Okay, so clearly my eyebrows is gonna look a mess if I do them because I don't know, but that's a nice color right there, that chocolate. Hey, but I highly dislike when, I still got a liquid, but I highly dislike when people's eyebrows are super jet black. Like, come on now, be realistic with yourself. But anyway, y'all, thanks for watching. I'm back. I feel better, and congratulations to who won my giveaway. So, toodaloo.